This is the Trend Cordless Circular Saw. We've been using this predominantly for cutting sheet material on site, for example OSB or the structural insulated panels that we build the core of the building with. It's a really nice, well-balanced piece of kit. Has a number of features that we enjoyed using. In particular, there's a nice guide laser that if you're freestyling something or freehanding something, means that you can cut in a straight line. It's also very easy to adjust the blade depth, and also the blade depth has a handy indicator on the slider here, so you can see how deep the blade is that you're working with. Really enjoyed using this tool. It's been efficient, it's been reliable, and most importantly, helps us cut in straight lines.